Your Samsung or Android phone has the ability to organize your apps into folders like this, which is a great way to keep things organized and make it easier to find the apps you need, especially if you have a lot of apps downloaded on your phone. To create folders for your apps, press and hold an app and tap Select. A little selection checkmark appears, and now you can tap other apps you want to include in the same folder. Then you'll tap Create Folder on the top of your screen, and the apps you selected will be moved within a new folder, which you can then name anything you want. Folders can hold dozens of apps, so feel free to add as many apps as you'd like. Within the folder, you can tap and drag your apps around to reorganize them into a custom order. If you want to add more apps, you can tap the little plus icon and select more apps to be included in your folder. If you want to remove apps from your folder, you can tap, hold, and drag them out. Dragging actually works both ways. You can also tap, hold, and drag apps from your home screen to the folder. And if you'd like to color tag your folders, you can do that as well by tapping the little solid color circle up here and choosing a color for your folder. And that's basically it. Great way to keep things organized and declutter your app gallery. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides like this.